Today's topic is on A-level pure maths paper 1, quadratic equations, exercise 4a. Question number 1a. What is the question here? Find out the vertex and the equation of the line of symmetry of each of the following quadratic graphs. Number a, given this one, y equals to x minus 2 whole square plus 3, we have to find out the vertex of the this quadratic equation, that is the curve. We have to draw the curve of the quadratic equation, then point out the vertex and the line of symmetry. Line of symmetry is this one, the vertex is this one. So for any quadratic equation, the curve may be that is valley shape, or the curve may be hill shape. And the turning point for a valley shape, this is the turning point. For a hill shape, this is the turning point. The turning point is the vertex, and the line through the vertical line through the vertex is called the line of symmetry. Here we have what we have done here, we have simplified y equals to this one, expanded. Then we have found here the coefficient of x square is 1. When the coefficient becomes something positive, then the curve will be valley shape. Therefore, this very equation has the x square, its coefficient is 1, that is positive. Therefore, the curve will be a valley shape curve. This we have to first of all understand. Now, where the curve crosses the y-axis, we have to find out. Where the curve crosses the y-axis, so the very point where the curve crosses the y-axis, here the x value will be 0. So we will put down the value x equals to 0, and we have gotten here y equals to 7. Therefore, the crossing point of the curve on the y-axis will be 0, 7. That is, y-intercept from the origin to the crossing point is 7 units. That is, the coordinate of C is 0, 7. We have written here the y-intercept is 7, that is, coordinate of C is 0, 7. So the curve will pass through this point. Now, to find out the turning point, so how to do that one? So turning point, what is the nature of this turning point? As the curve is valley shape, at the turning point the value of y will be the minimum. So here we observe y will be minimum when this one x minus 2 whole square, this one will be 0. If we make this one 0, we can get y minimum point, that is 3. When will we get this value 0? We have shown here x minus 2 whole square will be 0 at least when when x will be 2. So if x is 2, then it will be 0 and y will be at least 3. So the turning point will be at this point, that is, here x will be 2 and y will be 3. So we have found out 2 points of the curve. One is this y-intercept 0, 7, and the other one is x is 2 and y is 3. That is turning point. The vertex is 2, 3. So we will just join this and that one very smoothly as far as possible and go back to the other side. this is how we can sketch the valley shaped curve of the quadratic equation y equals to this one. So their question was to find out the vertex and the equation of the line of symmetry. So this is the vertex 2, 3. The line of symmetry will be x equals to 2 because this is the vertical line that passes through the turning point where x is 2. Therefore, this vertical line is the equation of the line of symmetry, that is x equals to 2. This one is the line of symmetry. Thank you.